Okay, the third application we will be seeing, it's a landing page. Actually, I will do this one that's called free writing. Okay, just a moment so you can see me, but I will just run a script. There is a bash script. Okay, so it creates a Docker, two Docker images and run it. Okay, so you build the front end, then you build the back end, compile it, and finally you run each container and they connect each other. So it's a really easy setup you can use. Okay, so it's a DevOps part. Okay, so I was not only exercising full stack development, but also the DevOps culture here. That was the point of writing this script. So eventually, if you wanted to change the interface, etc., and you are in the server, you just run this command and you have a new release of your application, right? So let's run this build and run script. It will compile the front end. Okay, so it's already an optimized build to be very performant. It's doing it right now, it's compiling. Okay, now it's building the image both from the front end and the back end, and it's running. These are the containers, the idea of the containers, and let's see the application here in our local host. Okay, but it's running inside a container. This port, right? If you go here, free writing in the README or the build. Okay, so I'm taking the 80 port from my container and exposing it to the local host 8666. Okay, so here you can see it's running. What does this application do, right? Let me zoom in a little bit. I will take I don't know, a medium, maybe a medium article. Yeah, so here is an article. Let's say I don't want to pay for this article. Okay, it's not illegal to do this. It's just let me put here myself so you can see me. Okay, so this application, generally I use Lynx, which is this program here. Lynx, it's called. It's a text web browser, and it doesn't run JavaScript, right? So just fetches text. Even if it's rendered with JavaScript, it will be able generally to fetch the text of a website, crawl it. It's a really powerful browser, a text browser for web crawling and fetching data from different websites. Okay, you can fetch anything basically. So I don't have problems with paywalls because I use Lynx when I want to read stuff, search something program related in DuckDuckGo or Google, do a web search. So that was the idea. I wanted to share that with the world, with anyone that wanted to read an article online. So basically I built a backend that uses links, and you don't have to have installed links in your computer, even if you're running this this application locally. If you are running it through Docker, you don't need to have links installed in your computer to this to work, because the containers will have the backend container will have links installed. It's part of the build. So let's see, you can fetch the article, and you actually can read it here. Okay, so we just we ignore the paywall, right? So you can actually access your article here, and it works for a variety of websites. Let's take one which is very popular in Brazil. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's read about the American election. Whoa, paywall, just in your face. So how you can deal with this? You go here and you fetch the article, and you can read it. Okay, so that's exactly what the article would have, and yeah, you can read it. Even the images. Okay, let's see this image. Is there any images here? Yeah. Yes, this is an image. If you want to know what there is in that image, no. Yeah. Okay, you can see the images. Anywho, this was a little side project. A while ago I was running it in a website using Ocean Drop, DigitalOcean, right? Using DigitalOcean to deploy this application. Basically what I would do is just fetch the GitHub portfolio, my GitHub project, build the images, or fetch the images from my Docker account, run it, and be happy. Make some tweaks related to the domain where the calls should be made, both in the front and back end, the cores and stuff like that. But this is a full stack application that you can easily reproduce in your local computer, and it's also very useful if you like to read a lot of articles in different websites. It's not illegal, you are just using links, which is totally legal to use links. Okay, and this backend just do exactly that. This is a little full stack application for you.